Kal-El, it is time. You are the last son of Krypton. When you traveled through the cosmos, you carried the hopes and dreams of your people. They now live through you.
I don't know what you have in mind for me!
Time to accept your destiny. Awaken the great danger from the darkness of space. There is nothing you can do to prevent what is already in motion.
It's only been you, Lana.
Just remember, if we'd have done this my way, no one would have gotten hurt. Don't make her pay for my mistake! If I hadn't told her the truth about me, she'd still be alive!
You're about to face your darkest hour, my son. But remember, the lessons that we learn from pain are the ones that make us the strongest. It's time to fulfill my destiny. And you can't save all of them. I'll never do what you want. And it begins.
Is highly unpredictable. It poses a tremendous threat to all of us. There is no way of knowing what the outcome will be. Are you willing to take that risk?
I don't care how powerful it is. I'll take it on like I have everything else.